Hey guys, and happy holidays. In today's video I'm going to show you a inspired look for the holidays, and this is a super glittery look. As you can see, before I go in with any eyeshadow, I first always prime my eyelids, which I always do in every video, and I'm using my favorite one, which is by Makeupgeek. It's their paint pot in the color Soft Ochre. Then now next I'm gonna take this palette, which is the 3503 palette by Morphe. I also posted a video using this palette a few days ago, which also has a giveaway in that video where you can win this palette. I will make sure to link that video down in the description bar if you want to join the giveaway. So I'm gonna start with this warm orangey color, and I'm gonna blend it all the way in my crease, going from the inner corner to the outer corner and just blending it everywhere. I really wanted my crease to be as warm as possible, but at the same time I wanted to make this look as easy as possible as well. So I'm only gonna use two colors in my crease. This is like the first color, and then later on I'm also gonna use a different color to darken it up a little bit more. But this eye look is super glamorous, but still really easy, so I hope you guys appreciate that. Then now the next color I'm going in with is a little bit darker, and I think a little bit more of a brown undertone. I don't know, they're quite similar but just darker, I guess. And I'm gonna blend this in my crease as well. I took a tinier brush, which is just slightly tinier, and this way it's more focused, like straight into the crease, and you can still see that previous color we used peeking right above it. So I just kept blending until I found that there was enough color payoff on my eyelids. Then I'm gonna take this shade, which is like a color in the same undertone again, but this one is more shimmery, and I'm going to use my finger to apply this all over the eyelids. This is going to be the base for the glitters that I will be using. I have explained this a few times before, that whenever I go in with glitter, I like to use a shimmery shade right underneath. I just feel like it makes the glitters look better on the eyelids. So now I'm going to take this glitter adhesive. I will put the name in the description bar of the one that I'm using, and this is the glitter I use. It's kind of a chunky glitter. Definitely be careful when you use it on the eyes. It's always kind of hard to get it off the eyelids, but I think using water actually works best for me. So first I applied the glitter glue on the eyelids, and then I applied the glitter on top of the glitter glue on the eyelids. I always do it this way, and I am planning to film a video where I go really in depth on like the best way to apply glitter and just show like how I apply it on my brush, like everything really in depth. I really think that's gonna be helpful. So you can see my lightning kind of changed, I think because of the glitter on the eyelids. My lightning changed really weird. It's like super bright right now, but just try to ignore that. I don't know why that is. I think maybe the glitters reflect on my lightning. I have no idea. But now I'm taking the Maybelline Studio Gel Eyeliner, which is a simple black gel eyeliner, and I'm going to create a simple line above the lash line using a brush from Sigma Beauty. This is their angled brow brush. I really like to use that one for eyeliner. But keep in mind, like, it's quite hard to apply gel eyeliner on top of this chunky glitter, so be patient with that. So now I'm going to take that same color which we used earlier to darken up the crease, and I'm going to apply it right underneath the lower lash line using a Sigma Beauty flat definer brush. I'm just pressing it and kind of sweeping my brush back and forth to make sure that this color is everywhere. And then I switch to a Morphe M506 brush and just blending out the lower lash line even more. Now for my waterline, I'm taking this pencil, which is by Morphe brushes in the color Vibes, and I'm going to use this for in my waterline. This is one of my favorite pencils, and it's super affordable. It's only around $4, and the color is just really beautiful. And then I'm taking the Roller Lash Mascara from Benefit Cosmetics and applying a coat on the upper lashes and of course also on the lower lashes. Of course, in every video I am going in with fake lashes, but I always use some mascara underneath. And here you can see like close up how the glitters look on the eyelids. Then I took some lashes. These are Weary lashes from my own lash company, Anytude. I have a special discount code for the holidays, which will give you 25% discount on everything on my website. And I'm just applying those lashes with a tweezer and pressing them against my own eyelids. Then now I took a highlighter. The one I used is Ofra Rodeo Drive, and just popping a little bit of that in the inner corner of my eye just to make it kind of complete. I felt like something was missing. And then this is the end result. I really hope you all enjoyed watching this video. I know the glitters are quite dramatic. If you don't have those chunky glitters, you can definitely replace them with like normal glitter. But I just hope this is gonna give you guys some inspiration, and definitely let me know in the comments what kind of makeup you are gonna wear for Christmas. And yeah, I just hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video, and I wish you all an amazing holiday.